Hello guys, welcome back once again my channel Factology Fact. Let's explore the world. They are Turkish garbage collectors and they have put together their own free library from books people have thrown away. The queen refuses to reveal her favorite meal to avoid being all she ever gets served everywhere that she goes. Chinese hacker hacked Apple iPhone 13 Pro in just 15 seconds. Nail biting has been associated with a better functioning immune system because of the exposure to germs on a small scale that your body can build antibodies to. South Korean professor Cho Jae-in invented a toilet that turns poop into energy and pays people digital currency. Women are biologically attracted to guys taller than them because height is associated with the ability to protect and defend. You can't change how people feel about you, so don't try, just live your life and be happy. NASA says no human have had sex in space. William Chandler, a South African pilot, had to resign after it was found he had a fake license. He was flying for the last 20 years. Prisoner who died and was bowed back guns. His life sentence has technically ended. A company will be paying people $1,300 to watch 13 of the scariest movies ever made. In the early 1900s, getting drunk and riding a pig was considered one of the most extreme sports known to man. A man was so infuriated about losing a knife fight in Counter-Strike that he spent 6 months tracking down his opponent and stabbed him in real life. According to many researchers and professors, a mini ice age could occur within next 15 years. In 2006, a Coca-Cola employee tried to cheat by selling Coca-Cola secrets to Pepsi. Pepsi responded by notifying Coca-Cola. Hypersomnia is a condition where a person can sleep for 12 to 15 hours but still wake up feeling tired. World's loneliest bird died surrounded by concrete replicas. He thought, where is family? He is 70 years old bodybuilding champion, Bernie Cooper. He proved age is just a number. Many people gave up early. But look at this man, hats off to his dedication. After the beautiful night photos, workers who clean up all the mess after the party in Times Square deserve some respect too. Birds occupied the sky in Rome. Due to noise ordinance law in Europe, club owners have created silent discos where club visitors listen to music through headphones. Both of my friends' parents died last year, but they are still sitting outside of their childhood home on Google Maps. Chewing gum while studying and then chewing the same flavor while passing a test will help you remember what you studied. A picture in 365 slices. Each slice is one day of the year. Recently, a study has proved that no matter how long the friendship is, no matter how hard they try, but a boy and girl can never be just friends. Man hearing his not guilty verdict after 25 years behind bars. This building looks like it was picked up by a storm, but it's not like that. This incredible building is actually built in an upside down manner. This palm tree fell over, refused to die, and curved right back up. The richest person in Asia and still his normal clothes, Mukesh Ambani. A man spent $40,000 buying two IMAX theater to prove ex-girlfriend wrong. His girlfriend dumped him 7 years ago because he could not afford two movie tickets for a date. Believe me, this man is 47-year-old. This year still, no youngster can match his handsomeness. No wonder why he is the most handsome man in the world. The ocean is losing oxygen. Scientists warn that Jones is on the way for fishes. Finland's government is headed by these women. First Education Minister aged 32, Second Finance Minister aged 32, Third Prime Minister aged 34, Fourth Interior Minister aged 34. Real human empowerment. An Australian company has invented the first ever shoes for horses. They are non-permanent, lightweight, comfortable. They provide traction and shock absorption. They can clip on and off whenever you need them. Some best example of a really good design. This menu is an Italian restaurant is shaped like a circle, showing you what the type of pizza would look like. A high degree of intellect tends to make a man unsocial.